To weave a home, impress the girl, to start a family in the trees. This is the life of a male weaver bird. There are over 100 species of weaver birds, most of which build intricately woven nests. The Baya weaver is a weaver bird found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. They are best known for their hanging retort-shaped nest. The breeding season of Baya weaver is during the monsoons. They nest in colonies of 20 to 30, close to the source of food, nesting material and water. The males are the main weavers, leaving the females to select their breeding partners. The nest begins with a single strand knotted to a branch. Initial attachment needs to be strong. The whole structure depends on its strength. It takes nearly a day to build this. Roof construction begins right after this. Weaver birds use a variety of plant materials to build their nests, including strips of grass, leaves, twigs, and roots. The birds use their strong beaks to strip and collect the strands. They are the only birds to be recorded with the ability to tie knots. Coconut leaves are a good choice for making nests. This place in coastal India is a heaven for weaver birds. Coconut and palm trees are huge in numbers. They get ample food from the surrounding rice fields. There is no shortage of water, as many small rivers and streams flow in the vicinity. Their weaving pattern is very similar to that of humans. The nests are partially built when the males display to passing females by flapping their wings. In their world, the choice of females matters a lot. Female Baya selects his mate largely on his abilities as a weaver. He completes the weaving of the nest if the female bird approves it. Otherwise, he starts all over again. It is extremely important for the male weaver birds to know how to build an impressive nest. So practice nests are often seen where a number of young males can practice their skills. Once the male and female are paired, the male goes on to complete the nest by adding the entrance tunnel. It takes 15 to 20 days to complete a nest. Both the males and females are polygamous. A male will often make multiple nests over the course of the mating season. After mating with a female, the males typically court other females at the partially built nests. A widespread folk belief in India is that the Baya weaver sticks fireflies with mud to the nest walls to light up the interior at night. Clay, however, is known to be used in the nests of Baya weaver. Once a common sight in India, weaver birds today an endangered species listed under Schedule 4 of the Wildlife Protection Act. Urbanization, agricultural practices, industrialization, and deforestation are the major threats to this species. Unless we put checks and control over the habitat loss of weaver birds, in the next 30 years, we'll not be able to witness the wonders of weaver birds weaving its nest.